Hello children, I'm Shomita ma'am. I'm back again with my new video. It's on chemical formula and balancing of chemical equations. Before proceeding further, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. The elements can be represented symbolically. The symbol of the element can be represented in the first letter or the first letter and another letter of the English name or Latin name of the element. This approach of representing elements was proposed by, the answer is J. Berzelius. The positively charged ions are called cation. The answer is option B. Next, the element copper has a variable valency. These valencies are 1 and 2. Atomic number of phosphorus is 15. The electronic configuration of phosphorus is supposed to be option A 285. According to the law of conservation of matter, matter can neither be created nor be destroyed. Answer is A. Differentiate between the term ion and radical with suitable example. The answer is given. Please do follow the answer. Now we move on with some formula writing. If suppose we are given the name potassium chloride, potassium valency 1, chlorine 1. So the formula is KCl. Similarly, sodium bromide is NaBr. Both valencies are 1. Crisscross method. Potassium nitrate is KNO3 since both the valencies are 1. You can see the crisscross method shown. Calcium hydroxide CaOH whole twice. Why whole twice? Because hydroxide is a radical and acts as one single unit. Calcium bicarbonate is CaHCO3 is the bicarbonate radical, so whole twice. Sodium bisulfate NaHSO4. Over here the valency is 1, so no bracket is required. Potassium sulfate. The formula is K2SO4 since the valency of sulfate is 2. Zinc hydroxide. The valency of zinc is 2. So ZnOH whole twice. Here bracket is important. Potassium permanganate. The formula is KMnO4. Both the valency is 1. So no bracket required. Potassium dichromate. Here the valency of dichromate is 2. So K2Cr2O7. Aluminium hydroxide AlOH whole thrice. Aluminium valency is 3. Magnesium nitride. The symbol will be Mg3N2. Sodium zincate. Zincate is ZnO2. Valency 2. So Na2ZnO2. Copper 2 oxide. Roman 2 means the valency of copper we shall take here 2. So 2 is cancelled. The final formula CuO. Copper 1 sulfide. Valency of copper will be 1 here. So Cu2O. Iron 3 chloride. FeCl3. Iron the valency will be 3. Similarly, iron 2 hydroxide. Here the valency of iron will be 2. Iron 3 sulfur. The formula will be Fe2S3. Here iron is 3 and sulfur the valency is 2. The formula of iron 3 oxide is Fe2O3. And now let us see some balancing of chemical equations. Calcium and oxygen reacting to give calcium oxide. Like this, many other equations are coming up. Let's see.